Hi salon owners, looking for salon Christmas ideas to increase sales in your business? We all know December's always packed, and busy doesn't mean profitable. And that's what we're fixing today by showing you how to maximize December cash flow, how to fill January and February before the holiday season, and how to boost your salon brand online using December traffic. If we haven't met, I'm Bartek from Zolmi, and I've worked with hundreds of salon owners on how to make their business more profitable instead of just busy. Okay, let's maximize those December sales. Starting from booking. They come first, and they start in October. If you wait till December with your promotion activities, your clients might miss the opportunity to book with you and have to book somewhere else. Send this to your regulars in October. Hey, holiday appointments are open. Grab yours before the rush, plus booking link. That one message can fill half your calendar in just 48 hours. Now your content. Don't spend hours wondering what to post. Just ask AI like ChatGPT or Google Gemini. Give me 10 salon holiday Instagram content ideas for a hair salon in your city for both stories and posts. Boom! A month worth of content ideas in seconds. Schedule everything across your social media and you're done. Mid-November, time to roll out the holiday decorations. Add those gorgeous lights, a cozy scent, maybe even mulled wine or hot chocolate for clients. The festive moods drive sales. Happy clients spend more. Okay, now your calendar's full. Let's make every hour worth more. We're gonna do some quick math now. Don't panic, this is really easy. Salon A, 100 clients times $80 equals 8K. Salon B, the same clients times 110, 11K, which is same hours, same work, 3K more. And here's how to turn every booking into more cash. Start from gift bundles and gift packs. Stop selling single bottles, bundle them. Hair restorations gift pack. Shampoo, conditioner, hair mask, sell for $89. Feels like a deal, moves older stock and creates impulse purchases. And a pro tip, ask your suppliers for some free festive samples. They will most definitely say yes, as it's a very easy opportunity for them to promote their brand. And for more salon marketing tips, check out my video here. Okay, now we go for salon gift cards. This is cash now and bookings later. Salon gift cards and Christmas gift cards are still one of the most effective salon marketing ideas for December. One salon that I look after sold 20K in just gift cards and had January fully booked after the holidays because people that received them started to book immediately. And this is that simple. Packages, not discounts. Forget 20% off. You're already busy. Bundle services or treatments which take zero time or minimal cost but add more revenue. Offer exclusive holiday packages instead. Party ready, cut, treatment, blowout. Holiday glow packages, color, treatment, and blowout. Same time, higher profit, feels premium, not cheap. Now, automated add-ons. Your booking page can sell for you. When clients book color, prompt add gloss, plus 25. About 30% will say yes. That's a low-hanging fruit, easy extra money. And turn on premium pricing for peak hours. December demand triples. Add a holiday premium like $20 or $30 for Saturdays or late evenings. Clients understand and you'll stay full and protect your margins. Now, extend hours, but where it pays. Check your last year data in your Salon software. If Fridays or Sundays were packed last year, add a few hours there. Not everywhere. But add extra hours early and not last minute so clients are aware of them. Deposits and wait lists. No-shows in December cost more than any month. and you can't afford them. Take a deposit for online bookings, make sure your salon cancellation policy is up to date, and use a waitlist in your salon software so it automatically fills out cancelled appointments and protects your cash flow. What about team? Team bonus, no competition. Skip the individual contests. Go for shared goal. Let's say, if we hit 3K in retail this month, everyone gets a bonus. That motivates team, boosts energy, and keeps customer experience amazing. Okay, now let's look how to fill January before Christmas. As smart salon owners, start the new year with 70% pre-booked. And this is how to do it. Sell January vouchers, not a January sale. Skip special offers. Instead, sell premium vouchers for specific services. For example, New Year's refresh package, color gloss plus treatment, regular price $250, voucher $220, and valid January through March. You give value, keep profit, and fill your quiet season. Make it look premium, ribbon, envelope, elegant design, feels like a gift, not a coupon. And make sure you ask the rebooking question. This one line fills January calendar on a spot. Would you like to lock in your January spot now? It gets busy fast after the holiday. And say it after checkout. Most will say yes. For the rest, let your salon system send a follow-up text after 3-4 days. For example, hey Kate, January calendar is filling up, book here, plus a booking link. That's how you jump from 15 to 70% calendar book in January. And finally, let's turn December traffic into free marketing with real results. December clients are glowing, excited, and love sharing their new look. Turn that energy into free marketing. Set up a fabulous holiday selfie station. Make sure the lights are good and your logo is visible. I've seen small salons pull 500 and more tags in 1 month. Zero ad spend, just festive cheer. Then before and after photos that travel. Have a dedicated photo spot. Ask permission, take a quick pic, tag your client. They'll repost, their friends will see, and you will attract new clients through social media organically. That's real reach, no ads needed. And automate reviews. Stop hanging out QR codes, they feel outdated. Use email marketing or SMS automation instead. After checkout, how was your visit today? Rate 1 to 5. 5 stars? The system will send a direct Google review link. 1 to 4 stars, you get an alert to follow up personally. And keep the festive energy high. December's emotional. Clients feel what you project. Positive energy, bigger tips, better reviews, more referrals. Don't complain about being busy. That vibe kills the holiday cheer real fast. Okay, let's wrap up. This is your Salon Christmas Playbook. Get booked out early. October, messages, AI content, festive setup. Then make every hour more profitable with packages, gift cards, and add-ons. Fill January before Christmas with vouchers and rebooking. And turn December clients into your marketing team. Selfies, reviews, energy. Use these salon holiday marketing ideas to attract new clients, delight loyal customers, and boost sales through the holiday season without burnout. Which tip will you try out first? Drop it in the comments and share your favorite holiday promotions. I read them all. Stay fabulous, stay focused, and keep building the salon your clients will love.